Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a piece that I did for Nate Bright's Art Lab September challenge, and that was on Monday that I did that, and I didn't care for how it came out because I used the wrong recipe and my white broke. So here I am thinking, oh, I can gussy this up, no problem, this will be fun. And yeah, well, how many times can you fail on one piece, right? And it started, while I was doing it, it was like, oh, this is cool, yeah, this will be worth the resin, right? Boy, I tell you. So I'm just kind of doing some brushwork embellishment over kind of some of the broken parts and everything, and I used this little piggy Comet and this little piggy Twilight and tail feather, I think, and now I'm gonna resin it. So yeah, I've got the Twilight, I've got the Comet, I've got this little piggy tail feather, and I've got Alumilite Violet. And yeah, it didn't work out the way I had thought it was gonna work out in my head. I had a whole different vision for this that was going on in my head, and so you'll see here, it just got cloudy. That was it. And you could still see mistakes and flaws and everything else underneath it once it sat overnight, and I wasn't happy about it, but we're gonna fix this, and I'm gonna show you how I fix it in just a few seconds here. Yeah, you can see how that, it's just, I'm not loving it now. Now I look at it in that stage and think, ugh. At first, when I was first doing it, I was like, oh, this will be cool. I'll alcohol ink over it in the morning once the resin is set up and everything. And yeah, I walked in and was like, no, we're not wasting alcohol ink and more resin on this. So, good morning, guys. Just waking up. I've been looking at this off and on throughout the night, and I gotta say, I'm just not a fan. I am just not a fan of it. I don't know why. I don't care for it. It's not my thing. So I have a plan. Scary, right? Yep. I have a plan. It involves black spray paint. So let me go feed the dogs, get changed into paint clothes, and we'll come back and change this drastically. I see a bad pour and I want to paint it black. When in doubt, spray paint, right? So that's what I did. I spray painted around the outer edges and the sides, and now we're getting ready to redo the resin job. And this is some really cool powder. It's a floating powder, and I have it in silver and I have it in copper. It's from Ivy Lepore Art on Etsy. I will put the link down in my description for you. This stuff is gorgeous, and it floats on top of your resin once you hit it with a little heat. If it's mixed down in there from the blower and everything, once you hit it with a little bit of heat, it rises back up and it floats and it breaks and it laces, and it's beautiful stuff, and I love it. And yeah, I was having a hard time because I have it in silver and copper, but I love copper, so that's what we're going with. And there it was in that cup, and now I'm mixing up some black, and for that I just used some Alumilite resin dye in an opaque black. It took about maybe 4 drops to get to the opacity that I wanted. I wanted it pitch black. I didn't want to see anything underneath it. So you'll see as I'm mixing it, I'm checking my stick, I'm checking the side of the clear cup to see exactly how dark it is. There I go, adding a few more drops because it wasn't dark enough. And once I got to the opacity I wanted, then we were good and we're all good to pour. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music now because the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm using my little Berta mini hair blower on high heat, low fan. And here we go. Right before the music starts, I want to remind you that the Thursday train isn't just me. It's Dave's DRH Acrylic-Creations and just Janice also. They were right before me and their links are in the description. I'd really appreciate it if you'd go back and look at their videos also. And if you're not subscribed to any of us, what are you waiting for? Did you know it's free? Yeah, it's free. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. It all helps so much. Thanks guys. Back to the music.
Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it?
Okay, there we go. But it doesn't look like much yet right now, but just wait, because resin is resin, and resin's gonna do what resin wants to, and it's gonna move, and it's gonna change, and it's gonna shift while it's setting up. So what you see now is not what you're gonna get. What you're gonna get is something really, really awesome. Okay, we're back. It's still kind of in its tacky phase. I didn't realize that today was Wednesday. I thought today was Tuesday. So you're gonna have to go with kind of tacky results instead of, oh, it's touchable, but yeah, tacky. So it's set, the design isn't gonna move, and this is basically exactly what it's gonna look like when it's all cured. How gorgeous is that? And so simple, right? So much easier than what I was trying to do. I don't know what I was trying to do before, but this is beautiful. Just some black resin and then that floating copper that I got off Etsy. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I'm done. I'm loving this. Beautiful. Let's see. So hard to film resin sometimes. Okay, stay put. I have some tealight molds I'm gonna unmold for you that I had with some of the leftover resin from the first resin stuff we did. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this one is basically just black. Oops, sorry. Keep bouncing the camera around. And I'm sorry the lighting is off. It's just that I was filming that resin, so I didn't want it to glare everywhere in here. Come on. This one's just black. Black and glitter. Sometimes the simplest ones are the prettiest. Here, let me go turn on another light. There we go. Can you see that a little bit better? Maybe? There we go. Kind of pretty. Okay. Then we have, turn that back on. There we go. Okay. I kind of had it started so that it would go a little bit faster. There we go. This has the Illuminate Violet dye, the this little piggy Twilight and Comet, some clear and a bunch of glitter, and then of course black on the bottom again. Very pretty, very pretty, huh? Okay, and this one has, I think it's got tail feather, some tail feathers, some violet, some TLP Comet, and Twilight in it, and then the black base, and a bunch of glitter as well. Come on. Oh my goodness. There we go. Ooh. Almost crystal ball looking, huh? It's so fun to take these out. Yeah, I like that. Ooh. I like that. It's very crystal ball looking. Far out. Okay. There you have it. Yeah, let's see if copper shows up better now too with the lights off. Different. Oh. And there it is. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. there, there, there. And until next Thursday, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.